Hello friends, so today I'm going to discuss another cue card for you, that is the new one and very interesting. Okay, so what is the topic? The topic is describe a film you would like to share with your friends. So film that you have seen and you liked it very much and you want your friends to watch this movie or you would like to share it with your friends. So the follow-up questions are, first, which movie is it, where you watched it, and why do you want to share it with your friends? Okay, so this is all about a movie. So whenever we start the topic, we always start with a very beautiful and a small introduction, right? So let's have a look on the introduction. Movies sometimes represent the social reality in such a manner that people understand and realize the issue effectively. So as you know that in India, most of the movies are either based on social reality or the biography. So these are based on someone's life, right? So this is what we have taken here as an introduction. Now I'll start further. I'm a movie freak or passionate for watching new releases only. Movie freak means I'm a person who loves to watch movies, right? But I don't like to watch old movies. I prefer to watch new releases only. So recently on 13th September 2019, I watched movie named Dream Girl, right? And that was first day of the movie. So as I discussed earlier, I prefer to watch new releases. So here also I am talking about the movie which was released just a couple of days ago. 13th September, Dream Girl, and I watched it on the first day. And why I went for the movie is I found the name of the movie or the title of the movie quite enchanting and fascinating. So instead of asking attractive, that the title attracted me, you should better say that I found it quite enchanting and fascinating. So instead of waiting for the time or a friend to go with me, I went alone. I was so passionate for the movie, I was so much desperate to watch the movie that I even didn't ask for any of my friends to get free and go with me. I went to watch the movie all alone, right? So I watched it in cinema in my hometown only, since movies spellbound or captivate me only on bigger screen. Spellbind. So spellbind is when something attracts you that much that you forget everything around. Very much influential. So captivate or spellbind. Spellbind is a verb, spellbound is different. So here it is bind. So movies spellbind or captivate me only on bigger screens, not at home. So on bigger screens, and bigger screens are always available in cinemas only. So I went to a cinema in my hometown to watch the movie, right? Now it is something related to the movie. Ayushmann Khurrana, who was the lead actor there in the movie. So what happens in that movie? Ayushmann Khurrana imitates a girl's voice. Imitate, copy a girl's voice with utmost perfection, with complete perfection for his character Pooja. So there was a fictitious character over there named Pooja and he was imitating her voice in that movie. He worked sincerely in a friendship-based call center. So what he was doing, there was a call center, friendship call center, where girls used to receive calls and there was like the friendship conversations used to be going on. So listening to everyone's problem and soothing the listeners. So what was the duty of that girl, Pooja, who was the fictitious character? So her duty was listening to everyone's problem and soothing. Soothing means relaxing, calming, right? Who call her by her melodious voice and love. Melodious, so when you found someone's voice quite attractive, okay, so that beautiful voice is melodious voice, very sweet voice. He left no stone unturned to please his customers. No stone unturned means to make every possible effort. To make every possible effort to do whatever you can, right? So he left no stone unturned to please his customers. Please means to make happy. to make his customers happy. It presents social message. What message? That must be realized by everyone. Among thousands of virtual friends, people still feel lonely from inside. What happens? The reality is these days that we have thousands of friends on Facebook, on WhatsApp or Twitter or any other social messaging apps or any other media, right? But what actually happens, having that many virtual friends, somewhere people feel lonely from inside, okay? And that movie is based on that social issue. Find all alone, they find all alone means all lonely, having no one to share their true self. Many people fell in love with that fictitious character. Fictitious means imaginary, because there was a man who was speaking in a woman's voice, okay? So that was an imaginary character and many people fell in love with that, all because of love she was sharing. Reason for me to share this movie, like why I want to share this movie with my friends, is the perfect blend of comedy and reality. That was a full of comedy movie. I laughed a lot, but at the same time there was a very beautiful message into it. Okay, so I had a belly laugh. Belly laugh means laugh aloud. When you're laughing aloud, that is a belly laugh. And moreover, it was a hearty laugh. Hearty laugh is a true delight. When you are feeling happy from inside and you laugh a lot, okay? So after watching this movie, or during actually, while watching this movie, I had belly laugh and hearty laugh. Finally, I must say that my friends and others should watch this movie. Why? For ventilating their mounting stress level. What happens these days? The stress level is increasing, okay? So that mounting or this increasing. So to ventilate is remove. To remove this stress level and for self-realization, I think my friends should watch the movie. Okay, so this movie, this is a comedy one, this has a social message, this is a very beautiful picturization, or everything I found in the movie is perfect. So I really find that people, my friends, should go and watch this movie. Okay, so I hope that I have described the movie in a very easy and beautiful manner, with quite a lot like beautiful or advanced vocabulary words also that can help you to score 8 bands in fact, right? So keep watching. All the best.